Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today I'll show you how to remove a virus in Android quickly and safely so your phone stays secure and fast. Now let's get started. Step 1. Take your phone and open the Play Store app. Once it's open, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner to access the profile menu. This menu gives you quick access to your account settings and important security tools. Step 2. From the menu, tap on the Play Protect option. Here you can see the scan options for your device. Tap on Scan and wait for the process to finish. This scans all installed apps and identifies any malicious or suspicious files. Step 3. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find the Apps section and open it. This section lists all the apps installed on your device so you can check which apps might be causing problems. Step 4. Look through your apps for anything suspicious or unfamiliar. If you find one, tap on it to open the app info page. Locate the uninstall option at the bottom. Tap it and confirm to remove the app completely. This automatically deletes the virus if it came from that app. Step 5. Scan with an antivirus app for extra security. Open the Play Store again and use the search bar to find a trusted app like AVG, Antivirus and Security. Hit the install button and wait for the process to complete. Antivirus apps provide real-time protection and detect hidden threats. Step 6. After installation, open the antivirus app and grant any necessary permissions. Tap on Start Scan and wait until the process finishes. Once done, restart your phone to ensure all changes take effect and your device is clean. Step 7. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset. Save all important files and documents first. Open the Settings app, use the search bar to find the Factory Data Reset menu. Scroll down, tap Reset, enter your password, and follow the instructions. This restores your phone to like new condition and removes any remaining viruses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.